London, the capital of the United Kingdom, is a vibrant and diverse metropolis that attracts millions of visitors each year. Known for its rich history, iconic landmarks and cultural offerings, London offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. The City of London is where the historic core of the city can be found. The area is home to famous landmarks such as St. Paul's Cathedral and the Tower of London. It also serves as a major financial centre with numerous banks and financial institutions located here. London's tourism industry is thriving and visitors flock to see its many attractions. From world-class museums such as the British Museum and the Tate Modern Gallery to famous sites such as Buckingham Palace and Big Ben, there is no shortage of things to see and do in this bustling city. Travelling around London is easy thanks to an extensive public transportation system, including buses, subway trains and cabs. Tourists can also take advantage of the famous red double-decker buses for a unique sightseeing experience. Those planning to visit London should read travel companion reviews and get recommendations for popular tourist destinations. Whether you want to explore historic sites, immerse yourself in modern art galleries, or enjoy the theatrical performances of the West End, there is something for everyone in this cosmopolitan city. In conclusion, London offers an unforgettable travel experience thanks to its rich history, diverse culture, iconic landmarks and vibrant atmosphere. Plan your visit soon and discover why this dynamic city continues to fascinate travelers from around the world.